Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. It's almost over, but in this video, we will actually take a look at Perpetual protocol once again. We kind of have to, of course. Perpetual protocol yesterday continued with the bullish momentum. It broke above $1, which in the video we talked about that if that would happen, that it was most likely to get up to 1.15, and then it was possible to get up towards 1.3, 1.4. So now we're kind of in the middle of that. It actually got up to 1.25 almost, which is a bit of a psychological level, of course. And now we're seeing some bearish momentum, like a Perpetual protocol broke down below 1.1, which again, like we're talking about key levels here, but most of these key levels are minor key levels. Like the strongest levels we see on the chart right now is that entire key level between 1.3 and 1.4, and then this support level between $1 and 95 cents. So the breakouts I'm talking about are very minor breakouts, but sometimes those can actually mean something. So Perpetual right now, it's still very bullish, right? It's still on top of the 28 EMA and the 236 FIB. So technically, it's still very bullish. However, it's showing some signs of bearish momentum, all right? I think that's the best summary, but we'll dive into that a little bit more in this video. Before we do that, though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group, in which, for example, I actually shared Perpetual protocol all the way down here. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. I'm not saying all of these rallies will be predicted in the group, but some of them have actually been predicted, like Flamingo as well last week. If you're interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description. But for now, let's get into Perpetual protocol. All right, so some other statistics are that the volume is actually dropping right now, which is pretty interesting. It got up towards 250. It's now around 234. Volume dropping is some sort of bearish confirmation as well. So I think it's fair to say that Perpetual protocol, even though it's still technically very bullish right now, it's showing some signs of bearish momentum. All right, that's just the case. So what will happen, what's most likely to happen right now, is that Perpetual will fall down a bit more than just the 236 FIB, which already happened with the last candle earlier this morning, as you can see. And we're on the 1 hour time frame, by the way, so this happened about an hour ago. So now I think it's likely that it will drop down towards this level around $1 and 95 cents. Now, if that level breaks, then Perpetual protocol is probably bearish. So I expect that level to hold, at least initially, but that for that level to hold, that's not enough for Perpetual to stay bullish, because there is going to be a lot of selling pressure at some point of time at least. So it not only needs to hold 95 cents to $1 as a support level. From there, I would say we would also need to see a breakout above 1.15, after which it can get up to 1.3 and probably all the way up to like 1.4, 1.45, because 1.3 is then so close to the last top that it's more likely to shoot through. So we have to assume this is the most likely scenario, all right? Because technically Perpetual is still very bullish. Now, does that mean that I would necessarily go long at this area? No, because see, the thing is, because we're kind of in the middle, because it's still technically very bullish. But if, for example, Perpetual protocol finds support here, which is something I do expect, if it finds support there and it just kind of consolidates here and it is not able to break above 1.1 and above 1.15, then it will just become more and more likely that it will drop down below 95 and 93 cents. And if that happens, it's over. It will drop down to 75 cents and slowly all the way back down to probably like 55 and 60 cents in the next month or so. So yeah, I would be very, very careful. I think that's everything you need to know about Perpetual protocol for now. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.